All right, a special dedication to Paul and Suzanne, this beautiful Crystal Pearl VX wagon. It was a request from them to do a special video outlining the highlights for their build. They're absolute like full-time lovers of pro touring and stuff. So thanks guys for choosing us to build your wagon for you. But as for anyone else, anyway, it's just a typical little build video, walk around. It's not too different, sorry Paul and Suzanne, it's not too different to other builds except for a few unique things like red covers methods on the car and stuff like that. But anyway, starting at the front, it's got the Summit Deluxe ARB bull bar in our textured UV powder. Got a Warn VR Evo 12,000 pound winch. The Ultima 215s with the little red ring. These are actually all interchangeable. You can have black bezels and red or blue inserts and stuff like that. GME UHF. Coming around this side, the Method 305 NVs. They're the HD 1650 kilo rated. Just some 33 or 285 65 Falcon tyres, and quick pitch 20-second shadow on, the full wrap around. We've made these really cool bloody brackets for it. We've sort of custom fabricated and powder coated these brackets. The brackets are generally the weakest part of your whole awning setup. So the awnings is only as good as the brackets. You got to make them strong. Take a lot of that cantilever. Like once these things are set up, all the weight is right here on this end pin here. So it's got to be able to support all that load just from this one point. JMACX AEV 4.2 ton GVM with 3.5 ton brake toe. So it's got the full axle housing replacement with King shocks. We've got airbag man airbags in here as well, and the Torqued exhaust. I'll show you the performance stuff soon, but in here we've done our full, it's a Redarc Red Vision system in there. It's a BMS 1230 S3, so it's version 3. Better compatibility with lithium. And in the back we've got the loaded drawers pro touring package. Very cool. Cargo barrier, little colour changing Nava light. We can turn that white, or we've assigned 2 different channels so we can turn that on orange as well if you want. We've got a big 2000 watt inverter in there with an RCD. It is a working RCD. Removable fridge barrier box. This acts as a drawer or a fridge slide. If you don't want the fridge, you can just use it as a drawer, and you can remove this barrier box and just put a flat platform in across there. Which works quite cool. Red Vision display, we sort of assign absolutely everything through here. Compressor, roof lights, rear lights, inverter power, fridge, all that. You can monitor it and log it all through here. As well, you can control it from your phone up the front if you need to, for your roof lights and stuff like that. Basically a big drawer in here. And this side wing is just left for open storage. The compressor on the twin Perth diesel bracket in there. That's sort of it for the back. All our normal caravan tow harnesses, 12-pin plug, Safety Dave camera link up. And see on this side, this is just the other side of the back of the drawer electrical. Inside the 200s, you don't actually have to do too much to them to make them nice. We just put the sand grabbers, we've got some wet seat neoprene covers on this one, UHF Safety Dave screen, all your normal bits and pieces, Tow Pro, OEM matching sort of switches in the dash. And I'll pop the bonnet so that you can see. So actually while we're here, these are your little roof lights. We wire these roof lights off the Red Vision system, and then we've got a little weatherproof switch up the back here so that you can isolate the rear. We've got a rear light on this one so that you can have the rear isolated if you don't want it on. And jump up there, mate, there's a slimline solar panel, 100 watt up on the roof, just to trickle feed the lithium system in the back. And the diesel power unlimited performance package. This is the DPF back, ECU tune. We've got the FFM airbox powder coated in the same sort of textured coat. Red high flow intercooler, pre-filter. It's a catch can, the upgraded dual force AGM battery under the bonnet, ARB diff breathers. All the little goodies. There you go, guys. There's more to it, but that's really all you need to see. It's a federal approval. This car can be at 4.2 tonne and tow 3.5 tonne anywhere in Australia. So if you've got any questions, feel free to hit us up, send us an email or drop a comment. Thanks, guys.